Customising the grids. You can change the order of columns displayed in most grids in Expert Estimation by simply left-clicking and dragging the header of the column to where you would like to see it. If you want to remove any columns from view, simply click and drag the column header down until you see the red X, then release the mouse click. To bring the column back, you can right-click on any column header and select Show Column Chooser. This shows you all the columns that could be displayed that currently are not. You can click and drag any column to where you would like to see it. As a user option, Expert Estimation will automatically remember how you like to have your columns set up. When you open a project, you will see the columns how you last had them. And that's customizing the grids. To find out more about this feature, have a look at the relevant links provided in the description box below. Our in-house customer support specialists are here to help you 24/7 every day of the year.